Production begins with premium high-strength steel delivered to the BMW factory. Each material batch undergoes strict inspection before manufacturing starts. The steel coil is unrolled and flattened for precision processing. Straightening removes internal stress from the metal. CNC laser systems cut frame components with millimeter accuracy. Every piece follows BMW engineering specifications. The cut steel sections are shaped into structural frame components. Hydraulic systems create precise bends for maximum strength. Robotic welders assemble the motorcycle frame structure. Each weld is monitored for consistency and strength. Advanced scanning systems verify frame accuracy. Every chassis must meet strict quality tolerances. Surface preparation removes contaminants and improves coating adhesion. The frame is cleaned and conditioned for painting. A protective coating shields the frame from corrosion. Electrostatic technology ensures complete coverage. Heat curing permanently bonds the protective coating. The frame gains durability and resistance to harsh conditions. The finished frame is now ready for engine installation. Precision mounting ensures perfect alignment and performance. The BMW front suspension system is installed with precision alignment. This unique design enhances stability and rider comfort.
Front fork components are installed for precise steering control. Every connection is torqued to exact specifications.
The rear suspension system is fitted to absorb road impacts. This component contributes to handling and riding comfort. The swing arm connects the rear wheel to the motorcycle chassis. Precision bearings ensure smooth suspension movement. The drivetrain transfers engine power to the rear wheel. Careful alignment maximizes efficiency and reliability.
The rear wheel is mounted onto the completed drivetrain assemble. Precise fastening ensures safe power delivery.
The front wheel is installed to complete the rolling chassis. Wheel alignment is carefully verified. High-performance braking components are installed next. Hydraulic systems provide precise stopping power.
The fuel tank is mounted and connected to the engine system. Careful handling protects the premium painted finish.
The motorcycle's electrical network is installed throughout the chassis. Each connection powers critical systems and rider controls. The digital dashboard is installed to provide rider information. The TFT display connects directly to the motorcycle's electronic network. Rider control systems are fitted to the handlebars. Every switch is tested for precise operation. Handlebars are aligned for optimal rider ergonomics. Precise positioning ensures responsive steering control. The advanced LED headlight system is mounted next. This unit delivers visibility and modern styling. Front and rear lighting systems complete the motorcycle's visibility package. Each electrical connection is sealed against moisture. The fuel delivery system is connected and verified. Pressure testing ensures leak-free operation. The exhaust system is installed to manage engine emissions and sound. Precision fit components ensure optimal performance. The muffler assembly completes the exhaust system. This component balances performance, efficiency, and sound. Exterior body panels give the motorcycle its final appearance. Each panel is aligned for a premium fit and finish. The seat assembly is installed to complete the rider interface. Locking mechanisms secure the seat firmly to the chassis. The windshield is installed to improve rider comfort and aerodynamics. Precision mounting ensures stability at high speeds. Rear view mirrors are added for rider visibility and safety. Each mirror is adjusted to factory specifications. Foot controls provide precise rider interaction with the motorcycle. Each component is lubricated for smooth operation. The support stand system is fitted to stabilize the motorcycle. Heavy-duty springs ensure reliable deployment. The battery is installed to power the motorcycle's electronic systems. Secure connections ensure reliable operation. Performance testing verifies engine output and drivetrain operation. Every motorcycle must meet BMW performance standards. The braking system undergoes rigorous safety verification. ABS and stopping performance are carefully evaluated. Every exterior component is inspected for perfect fit and finish. Laser measurements verify factory quality standards. Paint surfaces are checked for consistency and flawless appearance. Premium finishes must meet strict visual standards. All lighting systems are tested for brightness and functionality. Safety-critical visibility systems must operate perfectly. Advanced rider assistance systems undergo final verification. Every electronic safety feature is carefully tested. Tires and wheels are inspected for balance and correct inflation. Proper setup improves stability and handling. Critical fasteners receive a final torque verification. Every connection must meet exact engineering specifications. Post-test inspections confirm complete weather resistance. The motorcycle is prepared for final certification. Production data is reviewed and verified. Each motorcycle receives a unique manufacturing record. The vehicle identification number is verified for traceability. Every BMW motorcycle can be tracked throughout its life cycle. Final approval markings confirm factory certification. The motorcycle is now ready for release. Protective coverings prevent damage during transport. Sensitive surfaces receive additional protection. A final startup confirms readiness for delivery. All systems respond exactly as designed. A comprehensive visual review verifies final appearance. Inspectors confirm premium BMW standards. The completed BMW motorcycle is prepared for global shipment. After rigorous testing and inspection, it is ready for its new owner. The finished BMW motorcycle enters the global logistics network. Every shipment is tracked from factory to destination. Shipping documents are prepared for international transport. Digital tracking ensures complete traceability. Final shipping inspections verify transport readiness. Protective seals secure the shipment.
The motorcycle is loaded for international transportation. Careful handling protects the finished product.
The completed BMW motorcycle begins its journey. Global distribution connects the factory to customers worldwide. The shipment arrives at an international export terminal. Advanced logistics systems coordinate global delivery. The motorcycle continues its international journey by sea. Precision logistics protect every shipment. The shipment travels across international waters. Careful planning ensures timely delivery. Import documentation is reviewed and approved. Compliance checks ensure legal entry into the market. The shipment moves toward the regional distribution network. Efficient transport minimizes delivery time.
Regional facilities prepare motorcycles for dealership delivery. Shipment integrity is verified upon arrival.
The motorcycle is unpacked after its long journey. Protective materials are removed for inspection. Technicians verify that the motorcycle arrived in perfect condition. Every system is checked before dealer delivery. Temporary transport protection is removed. The motorcycle's premium finish is fully revealed. The motorcycle receives final dealership preparation. Display-ready components are installed. Professional detailing creates a showroom-quality appearance. Every surface is polished to perfection.
The completed motorcycle reaches the showroom floor. It is now ready to meet future riders.
The motorcycle's advanced technology and craftsmanship are showcased. Customers experience the results of precision manufacturing. The BMW motorcycle is ready for delivery to its new owner. Months of engineering and manufacturing culminate in this moment. The finished BMW motorcycle is prepared for customer handover. Every detail has been completed to factory standards.
The motorcycle is officially delivered to its new owner. A journey that began in the factory now reaches its destination.
The rider is introduced to the motorcycle's advanced features. Technology and engineering come together in a seamless experience.
The motorcycle comes to life with its signature BMW engine. Years of engineering are heard in every ignition. Final preparations ensure a safe and comfortable ride. The motorcycle is now ready for the open road.
The motorcycle begins its life beyond the factory. A new chapter starts with every ride.
Precision manufacturing is transformed into real-world performance. Every component works together in perfect harmony. The craftsmanship of the factory is evident in every mile. Performance, comfort, and technology define the riding experience. From raw steel to a world-class motorcycle, every step matters. Thousands of precision operations create a single BMW motorcycle. From raw materials to the open road, this is how a BMW motorcycle is made. A masterpiece of engineering, craftsmanship, and innovation.